In commercial real estate, the gap between chasing a lead and having an investor seek you out is measured by your perceived authority. We are breaking down the specific video marketing strategies that South Bay commercial firms are using to bridge that gap. I'm Edwin Duterte. I help local businesses engineer their content to capture market share. If you're ready to start building your platform, you can book a strategy call at voxelmicrovideolabs.com. Subscribe to the channel to follow these updates. Today, we're looking at how a specialized video podcast studio changes the math for small businesses trying to reach a global audience. In the next 6 minutes, we will walk through a 4-part framework to transform a single 15-minute recording session into a library of proprietary assets that work for your firm 24/7. Step 1. Traditional outreach is losing its edge. Cold calls and text blogs struggle to capture attention in an economy where your clients are increasingly looking for video evidence of your expertise. CRE Digital Authority is the new infrastructure for modern brokerage. It shifts your role from someone looking for a seat at the table to someone hosting the conversation through high-quality video podcasting. This comparison table shows the shift. Standard tactics rely on AI filler. Digital Authority relies on 4K video and strategy to drive engagement. Distributing a single session across major platforms daily creates visibility, leading to a 300% increase in brand recognition and 10x lead growth. You can find the tools to build this infrastructure at voxelmicrovideolabs.com. Moving to a video-first model is how you distinguish your firm from competitors who are still relying on low-quality mobile phone recordings or generic AI text. Step 2. To prove your local expertise, you must identify 3 major developments in your specific farm area to analyze on camera. Take the San Pedro Harbor. Establishing its historical, industrial baseline creates a point of comparison for the growth happening today. When you contrast that history with current developments like the West Harbor waterfront redevelopment, you show investors the scale of the opportunity you are monitoring. Discussing these ground-level details on a podcast provides the proof of work that outside capital requires before they trust a broker with their investment. Consistently highlighting local growth on camera translates into a reputation for having the most accurate, current market data. Step 3. Establish leadership by providing deep-dive analyses on factors your clients care about, like commercial rates or changes to local zoning laws. Coastal markets like Palos Verdes have specific regulatory and geographical nuances. Analyzing these on video shows you have the specialized knowledge to navigate high-stakes transactions. Similarly, inland hubs like Old Torrance have unique commercial dynamics. Breaking these down on camera makes you the first choice for potential buyers. We then take that core analysis and distribute it. One recording flows out to Spotify, Apple, YouTube, and LinkedIn, ensuring your expertise is findable wherever your clients spend their time. In a search-driven economy, failing to distribute your expertise this way makes your firm invisible to the very investors you're trying to attract. Step 4. Execution matters. It is time to stop recording business content on mobile phones. Low production value signals to high-net-worth clients that your firm isn't ready for their business. Voxel Micro Video Labs provides a turnkey 4K multi-camera environment. Every frame is crafted by human creators to ensure your brand looks as professional as the properties you represent. For high-speed content, our Velocity Starter Pod offers 1080p video with a dual-angle setup, designed to get you in and out quickly with broadcast-ready files. For deep-dive credibility, the Momentum Builder provides a 3-camera 4K setup. This allows for dynamic storytelling and visual variety that holds audience attention. Using a professional, human-led studio ensures your content compounds over time, building a moat of intellectual property that your competitors can't easily replicate. You now have the 4 steps required to build your digital authority in the South Bay. The next step is to put this into practice. The market favors those who build their platform early and consistently. Go to our website and book your first 15-minute session. We are currently accepting new clients at our $120 launch rate, but those slots are filling up quickly. Booking this session is how you begin to dictate your market's narrative rather than just reacting to it. I will see you in the studio.